Our own survival is threatened by a triple planetary crisis, which is affecting life on Earth. This crisis is caused by the combination of climate change, pollution, and the dramatic decline in biodiversity. To address the alarming loss of biodiversity, countries agreed on the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, a plan that supports the UN Sustainable Development Goals and outlines an ambitious pathway to protect and restore nature on our planet. But to make it a reality, countries must act now. Waiting is not an option. They must invest in impactful solutions that will benefit nature and lead to lasting change. This is where AEWA comes in. Administered by the UN, the treaty provides a science-based approach to conserving migratory waterbirds, which are an integral part of biodiversity. AEWA engages countries and the wider conservation community to protect species like ducks, cranes, and flamingos throughout their migratory range. Migratory waterbirds rely on well-managed habitats throughout their journey, making international cooperation essential to protect these critical sites. Investing in breeding grounds is pointless if wintering habitats are deteriorating. Through AEWA, conservation action becomes more effective. AEWA is an operational treaty that helps countries conserve migratory waterbirds and their habitats on a flyway scale, while also fulfilling their global biodiversity commitments. Some of the established conservation tools under AEWA that governments can support include international species action plans that aim to restore populations, a pioneering goose management platform to help countries implement adaptive management, and the AEWA African Initiative, which actively promotes the conservation of migratory waterbirds and their habitats in Africa. Funding AEWA doesn't just help migratory waterbirds and halt biodiversity loss, it benefits both people and nature. Thriving waterbird populations improve wetlands, which in turn provide clean water, support sustainable protein sources, and help boost ecotourism, all while tackling the triple planetary crisis. For over 30 years, AEWA has been the driving force behind international waterbird conservation in Africa and Eurasia, thanks to the collaborative effort of a wide range of countries and partners. Yet, its vital work depends on continued support. Investing in AEWA secures a future where migratory waterbirds, wetlands, and people will thrive together for generations to come.